In this video, we review Tradovate vs NinjaTrader. Have you used Tradovate or NinjaTrader before? What was your experience? Leave your Tradovate or NinjaTrader review in the comments section below. For traders deciding between Tradovate and NinjaTrader, each platform offers distinct strengths suited to different trading styles and needs. Tradovate is known for its accessible, cloud-based architecture, which supports trading from any device, while NinjaTrader is praised for its powerful desktop software tailored for futures and Forex traders, offering extensive customizability and advanced features. Tradovate is an appealing option for traders prioritizing cost efficiency and convenience. It is a cloud-based platform, enabling seamless access on various devices without needing to install heavy software, which suits active traders who move between devices. Its subscription-based model is cost-effective, allowing commission-free trading options and providing a simple fee structure, which helps control costs for frequent traders. Additionally, Tradovate integrates with third-party tools like TradingView, enhancing its charting capabilities and real-time data alerts, which appeal to traders focused on straightforward, easy-to-use interfaces. However, Tradovate's offerings are more limited compared to NinjaTrader in terms of advanced analytical and custom trading tools, making it less attractive to those who rely on complex charting or automated strategies. NinjaTrader, on the other hand, stands out for its robust features, particularly beneficial to experienced traders and those involved in algorithmic trading. Its platform includes a powerful suite of analytical tools, including custom script programming via NinjaScript, a C#-based language, extensive backtesting, and a range of order types for advanced trading setups. NinjaTrader's interface is customizable to an impressive degree, catering to traders who need highly personalized layouts and complex strategy setups. However, NinjaTrader's learning curve can be steep, especially for beginners, and its interface, while powerful, is sometimes criticized as outdated compared to more modern platforms. Although NinjaTrader has a free version, its most advanced features are accessible only through a lifetime license or a monthly subscription, which may be cost-prohibitive for some. The two platforms differ significantly in accessibility. Tradovate's cloud-based model supports trading on multiple devices with real-time syncing, making it ideal for traders seeking flexibility. In contrast, NinjaTrader's core functionality is primarily desktop-based, which limits mobility but provides a stable environment with advanced features. Additionally, while both platforms support futures trading, NinjaTrader's integration with multiple brokers allows traders access to stocks, Forex, and options via partnered services, which adds versatility but might require additional setup. Both platforms have robust support systems, though NinjaTrader's community is larger and more established, with forums and resources for troubleshooting. Meanwhile, Tradovate's user support is lauded for being straightforward and responsive, particularly valued by users who need quick, accessible help on a simpler interface. Ultimately, traders who value flexibility, mobile accessibility, and a user-friendly interface might prefer Tradovate. Those who require in-depth analysis, complex order setups, and algorithmic trading capabilities will likely find NinjaTrader a better fit despite its steeper learning curve and higher costs for premium access. Choosing between these platforms hinges on specific trading goals, device preferences, and the need for advanced trading tools versus straightforward, cost-effective functionality.